Our story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, heated mirrors, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2017 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost, bucket seats, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.